In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best photo settings for the Sony a6000. Now, I don't want to waste your time, so let's just get right into it. But if you enjoyed this video, please consider going down, hitting the like button, as well as subscribing to my channel. It would really help me out. So this video is going to be about photo quality settings specifically. If you want to see a video going more in depth on the rest of the menu settings, I'll leave a link down in the description. However, this video is for absolute beginners with this camera if you just want to know what the highest quality photo mode is on the Sony a6000. So first of all, go up to this dial right here and switch this over to the M. So it's that logo right there. This is manual exposure. Once you're there, you can go into the menu, which is this button right here. Then we're going to go to this first page right here. Then also it'll be this first page in this page. So page number 1 right here, you'll see these settings. The first thing we're going to go to is quality. This is going to be the main thing right here that we're going to look at. So right here, there's a couple different options. Now, of course, if you know what these mean, then this video really isn't for you. However, if you don't know what any of these mean, I'm going to go ahead and just give you a quick explanation right now and then show you which one I would recommend. So first of all, there's standard and fine. These are JPEG modes, which is JPEG. This is a format of photos essentially. That's what fine and standard are. They're going to be JPEGs. So these are both going to be good quality photos. Standard is the lowest quality that this camera can take. However, of course, it's still going to be decent quality looking photos. Fine is going to be even better quality. However, what really gives you the best quality photos is RAW. So I'm going to go ahead and select RAW. Now what RAW photos allow you to do is bring these photos into photo editing software. For example, Adobe Lightroom is a very popular one. And you're going to be able to adjust everything in these photos from the exposure, white balance, shadows and highlights, the different tones of each colors and the saturations for each specific color. And overall, it just gives you a very high amount of adjustability to your photos to where you can make them look exactly how you want. So RAW is going to be the highest quality option. Then if we go up here, the aspect ratio is pretty important as well. The 3:2 aspect ratio will be the largest photo, the largest resolution photo, and the highest quality photo out of this camera as well. So go ahead and select the 3:2 right there. And there we go, that is it for the highest quality actual photo settings in this. Of course, there's a bunch of other pages with different settings you can adjust. However, those aren't going to be as important as these photo quality settings in terms of getting the highest quality photos out of this. They are still important, so I'd recommend checking out the video I linked down in the description. But this is it for just the highest quality photo settings out of the Sony a6000. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go down to the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.